Hey everybody, it's Angie from Trips with Angie. I'm a certified luxury travel specialist. Let's take a peek inside the Grand Fiesta Americana Coral Beach Kids Club. The Kids Club had a $2 million renovation. The Kids Club is split into areas for 3 to 6-year-olds and 6 to 12-year-olds. It is a supervised kids club. If you have the unlimited experience, then it's included. Otherwise, your first visit is free and your second visit and additional visits are $25 each, and it includes one meal. If you want a full tour of this resort, there is another video on my YouTube page with a full tour. They have cooking classes, they have a stage where they put on shows and have dance parties. They even have a little backstage area for everyone to put on their outfits. Here's the craft area with a great beachfront view and the outdoor play area with its own little splash park, and that area leads right out to the gym. If you think your kids would love this, contact me to book your stay.